One of the first things we do with the garage floor system, as you can see, there's some pockets here that the beams will set in. One of the processes I come up with through the years is a trimmable end to go into beams so they can be cut on site to fit any job. And that was a really neat concept to come up with. Like I say, the process is we take the boom truck and we swing these two beams into place. Then we put the decking on, and the decking is screwed to the top of the beam. And that's why my beams are so unique, because you can easily fasten to them with self-tapping screws. Once the decking's in place, then we lay out the rebar and put the rebar on top of the decking to just help strengthen the concrete and create, more strength for the whole process. People wonder sometimes, and our most frequent question is, you mean to tell me that those two beams will hold up 2 cars and haul the concrete? Well, the concrete that goes on top and the two Suburbans would weigh 24,000 pounds. So actually that one beam is heavy enough and strong enough to carry it all. But I tell people, I put this other beam in there so you can have a warm, fuzzy feeling about the strength of it. And the beauty of the garage floor system, once the concrete's poured, I only need the concrete to handle those point loads of the tires of the cars. But the beauty of that is when they pull a car in here and the concrete's set up, it transfers the load to these outside walls, so you can never load my beams to the strength that or the weight that we actually engineer them to.